What is happening, everybody? Welcome back to another live stream. Good morning to you. Good evening to you, wherever you are in our world. Hit that like button here on your way in. And man, nice day in crypto here so far, up about 4.5%. The overall crypto market. We're seeing Ethereum get up there a little bit over 1,200. And talking to some of the people in the space, I was actually talking to Hobbs a little bit, and what he was telling me from a technical perspective is we want to see Ethereum climb up to 1260 and stay there for about a week. That would give him a lot of great indication that we're there. See, we crossed over 1200, but we immediately retraced. Okay. If we can get up here over 1200 and hang in there for, a week or so, that should give us a lot of investor confidence overall. The verdict's still out. Are we out of the woods yet? Have we hit bottom yet? The verdict is still out, right? We don't know. This crypto market is so volatile. It's so unpredictable, right now with all of the goings on. But hey, let's enjoy the green day. And there are a lot of smaller cap cryptos also enjoying some big green candles. We got to talk about Apollo Crypto. They are back over a $50 million market cap. We're expecting to hear some news today on a sponsorship or partnership of some sorts today or over the weekend. At least that was coming from the AMA that we heard with Matt Johnson recently. We're going to talk about that, obviously. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu. We're also going to talk about some other altcoins that are experiencing some big pops in the price. Solana is back up over $40. That looks pretty nice. They're up about 11% right now in the last 24. You got SHIB up here, back up into the 10s. It's up over 6% again. We've got Polygon just ripping here this morning. Polygon's up 50% on the week and is up 17.5% here in the last 24 hours. I'm excited about Polygon getting back up over 60 cents. In fact, I got some Polygon. I just recently got it over on my Robinhood app. I'm actually going to pull it up, see where that's at. I should be in the green now on my, let's see here. Let's take a look on my Polygon. Let's see, Matic. Okay, this is right at my average cost, 60 cents. I should have loaded up on this a little bit more. I think Polygon's really going to have a nice run once we get back into the crypto bull run. And if we go out to the year, I mean, this thing has already been up to, over $2.50. You can get Polygon. You could have got it here in the last week or so, well under, right, that price at 30 cents. I mean, look at that, 30 cents down here. Look at this. Yeah, 33 cents was the low point just about, at least in the last month. And it's bounced off nicely. It's almost doubled in price here in a very short amount of time. 6 days. It's almost doubled in price. Polygon. That's a lot of movement for a blue chip, right? That's a lot of movement for a blue chip. Polygon is a top, top 30 crypto? Let me see. It's actually no top 20. So that's a lot of movement. It's almost doubled, okay, in a short amount of time, in about 6 days or so. So that's good to see. Uniswap is also up there too. Look at Uniswap just quietly hanging out there in the top 20, up about 47% in the last week. In fact, let's go ahead and categorize it by 24-hour periods here. So you got Polygon up here. eCash is up here. StoreJ, Zilliqa, moving a little bit. Avalanche, too, experiencing a nice little pop in the price, up about 12% right now. We already mentioned Solana. Even Ethereum, Algorand as well. Algorand's up 8%. Ethereum is up 8.39%. That is very, very nice. Very, very nice to see. Now, we shall see if it lasts. What's going on, chat? What's going on, everybody? Good morning to you. Make sure you hit that like button here on your way in. We are live for another crypto live stream. I got to drink my protein here real quick. Take a chug of this stuff. Man, yesterday we did lamb on the spit. We have a rotisserie. Oh man, this thing was unbelievable. Light up the chat if you're all about grilling out. We did potatoes on the Blackstone. You guys ever use the Blackstone grills? Man, they are sweet. They are sweet. So we had potatoes. I put a picture up on Twitter. I mean, look at this stuff. This stuff was banging. I mean, those were the potatoes on the Blackstone. So then you just take a bite of green onion right there. Take a bite of green onion, and then you just slam into some lamb. Oh, man. That was great. Good morning, Big Z. Hit that like button. What's up, EMAC? Appreciate you, brother. Dave, what's going on, brother? From London. Selmo, what's up? Good morning, Zach. I think SHIB can lose another zero. Oh, I think it will over time for sure. Happy Friday, ladies and gents. What's up, Deadly Raver? Mr. Dino's in the house. Mr. Papa Giorgio, like the damn stream, people. Let's go. Let's go. Like the damn stream. Tipsky, what's up? What's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Looks like a great start today. Yes, it does, Sean. 100%, brother. What up, Zach? How are you, man? I'm doing great. I'm here. I'm alive. Every morning you wake up and you're alive and you check your phone and crypto's green. It's a good day. It's a good day. Milkshake posted Shibarium in Q3. Okay. All right. Let's check. Let's check that out. I did kind of unplug yesterday, so I might have missed some news. Usually I'm all over it, but I unplugged yesterday. I went and played some golf. It was nice. I went and played golf with my grandfather. Then I helped my dad cook out, and we did the lamb, and it was an awesome day. Great day. Just outside enjoying. I was out of the office by 1 o'clock. That's usually not going to happen. I'm usually here, 10, 11, 12 hours, just banging out content and, but okay, let's see Milkshake. Let's see what's up. So Q3, huh? I think they want to wait until this market comes back a little bit. And I get it. I get it 100%. Okay. So 11 minutes ago, Shiba Inu Shibarium public testnet to release in Q3. Okay, this is big. We're going to read this a little bit. So, man, I should be making a video here. What if I made a video on my phone while I'm live? Do you guys want to see me make a YouTube video while I'm live and then put it out there? That'd be kind of crazy. Let's jump into it, though. I should put a video out behind this. This thing just came out. Shiba Inu Shibarium public testnet to release in Q3 announces unification. Belgium over here. Nice. Loving the content. What's up, Crispy? I appreciate it, man. JH, Zach, some people like their cucumbers pickled. Go Shib. What's up, man? Morning. Thanks for the hard work, especially the Patreon channel. Thanks, Bryce. I appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, dude. Glad you're a part of the private community. Appreciate you. Meet Kevin just filmed it while live and then clips it. Just do that. Meet Kevin just films it while live and then clips it. I don't know how he does that. I don't know how he does it. That's so delightful news. Please, Shiba, just off from Earth to the moon. What's up, Dr. Palab? What's going on? What's up? Yo, yo, yo. We're going to read about Shibarium a little bit here, guys. This is big. What's up, Rodney? BTS of Zach making YouTube videos while YouTube live. I'm for it. Yeah, you guys get to see like behind the scenes here. I might have to make a video on this while I'm live. I could put my phone up on my ring light here and actually make a video. It would be like a talking head video, but nonetheless, could get it out there. But we'll talk about it live. I'll probably get a video. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll just make the video here while we're live. But let's read about it first. I would have to dive into this and actually see what the heck's going on. So Unification, the company working on the Shibarium Layer 2 development, announced that the public beta testnet would launch in Q3. Now, Unification published a blog post today headed by Mazir Sadri and states that the public testnet will allow other parties to interact with the network. The public beta testnet will allow parties to fully interact with the network, including the validation process. Okay. What else do we got? Man, I like Watcher Guru, but they have so many ads on here. I mean, it is just littered with ads. The blog post also reveals that Shibarium private testnet has been active and operational for several weeks. Developers are building many relevant tools on the network ahead of the public beta testnet release. SHIB investors will soon get a glimpse of Shibarium during the public beta testnet in the coming months to better understand the network. I like that. The recently released Medium blog post dives into the specification of Shibarium. Was there another blog post? Did I miss something? Did Shaitoshi put something out yesterday or something? Again, I unplugged from the world a little bit yesterday. Let me see. No, June 18th is the latest. The SHIB token, did they put out something? No. It must be the one we had in May then, right? That blog post, I'm guessing. Steve, Patreon member here. Appreciate you, brother. Want to become famous? Buy followers, primes, and viewers on. No, I'm good. I don't buy any followers. We don't need to do that. In fact, if you do that, YouTube will not allow you to grow. Same thing on Twitter. If you actually have fake followers, it will stunt your growth on either platform. So don't do that. Hi, Zach. What do you think about Luna Classic? I'm staying away from it, Cryptoholic, myself, man. I'm staying away from it. I just don't see the need. I don't see the need to go there personally. Okay. Let's see. The recently this wallet will allow two-way. Okay. The recently released Medium blog post dives. So it's recently released. I'm missing the Medium blog post. I don't know where that is. Kevin Pedro, under the weather, but still shipping on. I like it, man. The recently released Medium blog post dives into the specification of Shibarium. This wallet will allow two-way asset transfers between ETH and Shibarium, alongside staking and delegating before Shiba Swap integration. The team working on the primary tool under heavy development is the wallet application. Okay, said Sadri in the blog. Okay, was it a blog done by this company? Maybe it was Unification who did the blog. If somebody knows where that blog post is, let me know. The recently released, okay, we got that. The wallet will be a two-way asset transfer between ETH and Shibarium. Feature staking, delegating before Shiba Swap 2.0 integration. Okay, here's Uniswap Fund putting out a tweet. The Shibarium public testnet is planned for deployment in Q3. That's the public beta testnet. It continued, the public beta testnet will allow parties to fully interact with the network, including the validation process. Oh, there's the Medium article. Okay, it was done by Unification. I was wondering where the heck that was. There it is. I guess we got to follow them over there, huh? So here it is right here. This is the blog, Medium blog post done by Unification, the people working on Shibarium. That's good. That's good stuff. All right, let's see. Public testnet. Okay. The blog published by Unification sheds no light on the inbuilt burn mechanism on the Shibarium network. However, considering this is only the public testnet phase, the team could fully announce the burn mechanics when the entire Shibarium network is ready for launch. So don't freak out if you haven't heard about the burn mechanism that will be integrated into Shibarium. However, we will have to wait and watch for an official confirmation from the SHIB team regarding its release. At press, SHIB was trading at the 10.38, which I think we're still right in that range. Let's take a look at SHIB on TradingView. Actually, I should have it right here. There we go. Bang. Ooh, nice spike in volume again here, huh? I mean, we've had a lot of volume coming in here in the last 3 days or so. Let's go to the 1 day. Actually, here, let's go to like the 4 hour. That way we can see what's happening here. This takes us way back before the big pop that we had on June 21st. So when we zoom out a little bit, I mean, we're creating a nice floor here. I mean, it's early, but we're creating a nice floor here in these nines, like 9.3, 9.4 range. We're actually steadily moving up. Look at that 20-day moving average. The big thing is crossing over that 50-day. Let's see on the technicals here. See, we're a buy in the 30-day, buy in the 10, buy in the 20, buy in the 30. Not a buy yet in the 50 or 100 or 200. If we could cross that 50-day exponential moving average, that would be big for SHIB. Things would get a lot more bullish if we can cross over that 50-day moving average. Bull flag on the 4 hour. Yeah, that does look like a bull flag. 100%, Oscar. What's up? Craig Beats, what's goody? What's going on, man? What's going on? 0.0009, Hollywood Heaves. What's up, man? Yo, hope you're well. Do you know the risk of locked and flexible staking on Binance? Thanks. I don't, M. Molly. I don't, I haven't dabbled with that. Deadly Raver. Appreciate the $5 donation. What are your thoughts on Coinbase? Will they survive or should I bail? Also, best cold wallet in your opinion? Thank you in advance. I don't think Coinbase is going anywhere. I mean, I know a lot of people are freaking out because they cut back, they cut back some people. But listen, I mean, I think that's natural considering, they just went public, right? And then crypto exploded when they went public. So they wanted to ensure that they had enough people to handle that demand. So it makes a little sense that they had to dial it back with the market conditions. I think people are kind of looking into that a little bit too much. I mean, I don't want to understate it, but I think people are overstating, the little cutbacks. Because here's the thing. As soon as the market starts ripping, I think Gemini actually cut a little bit of their employees. Coinbase cut a little bit of their employees. As soon as the market rips, they're going to hire people back. I mean, but now I will say when big corporations start cutting people, it's not a good sign for the overall economy. I mean, that's usually a sign that we're heading toward a recession. But again, I'll say this, and we've said this before, crypto is supposed to be the hedge, right? I mean, isn't crypto supposed to be the hedge against inflation? Isn't that what we heard for a long, long time? And if that's true, maybe people will park money into crypto if we get worse. And I do think inflation will get worse before it gets better here. So, it's going to be interesting to watch. This is uncharted waters here for crypto. It's uncharted waters in terms of inflation in my lifetime. I mean, we haven't seen inflation like this in 40 years. I'm 32. So I've never seen inflation this bad, right? I've never seen $5 a gallon gas, right? And I think that goes for a lot of people. So including SHIB, over 50 crypto ATMs to be installed at a major Hispanic grocery chain in the U.S. I saw that. Here's the story. How about that? Over 50 crypto ATMs to be installed at major Hispanic grocery store chain in the U.S. That's pretty sweet. Definitely. Guys, hit that like button on your way in. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Really appreciate you hanging out here on a Friday. Happy Friday to everybody. Everybody on their way to work or at work, shout out to you guys. Thanks for listening in the background. Appreciate you. Hit that like button. Let's get up over 500 people this morning. That would be fun. But let's take a look at this story real quick. Despite the uncertainties of the crypto market, digital assets increasingly popular, giving rise to crypto ATMs. They were doing this in Texas already for a while too, which is interesting. One place that is set to have these machines is America's biggest Hispanic supermarket chain, Cardenas Markets. Interesting. So they are putting in CoinCloud to place crypto ATMs across all of its 59 stores in 3 U.S. states. So they're out in Nevada, California, and Arizona, according to a press release on June 22nd. Cardenas Markets customers will be able to buy and sell more than 40 other cryptos, such as ETH, Cardano, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, ApeCoin. Wow, that's pretty sweet. We are pleased to offer cryptocurrency capabilities to our customers through CoinCloud's networks of DCMs. Through this unique offering, we continue to deliver on our commitment to meeting our customers' evolving needs, especially in today's digital world. Very cool. Good day from Western Australia. I appreciate your info. Thanks so much, Lynn. Thanks for being here. Paul says, hey, Zach, did you hear Binance partnership with Cristiano Ronaldo? That's big. No, I didn't see that. Really? That's pretty sick. Binance, Ronaldo. And there's a lot of stuff going on in crypto here. It's amazing what you miss. You just check out for 12 hours and you're so far behind. That's why I love crypto. There's always something to talk about, right? Always. I got to write this stuff down because I got video ideas like crazy now. If I don't write it down, I'll forget, guys. Hold on one sec. Let me get a piece of paper out here. Let me see. Let me grab a piece of paper. Actually, I've got a notebook right here. I've got too many coffee cups over here. Guys, you guys think I like coffee? Look at this. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, coffee cups out the wazoo. But I'm not slurping today, so I'm not offending anybody, right? Let's see here. So this is interesting. Cristiano Ronaldo, proud to be partnering with Binance. Interesting. That is fascinating. That's good for BNB, right? And the whole ecosystem. So Binance, Ronaldo. Got some video ideas. Crypto ATMs. We got news on Shibarium. Guys, if you're popping in for Shiba Inu, there's some big news on Shibarium. I'll resurface it here in just a second. Crypto ATMs. SHIB is involved in that. And then Shibarium. Shaboom. Shaboom, shaboom. Okay. So this is the top story, guys. Shibarium. Some information coming out from Unification, the company working on Shibarium. Shibarium public testnet to release in Q3, announces Unification. Any news on Clear Cryptos? Yeah, we can talk about Clear. Let's see. they're still building. I mean, it's gonna be a while to see the full scope of Clear because they are doing so many things. But over here, look at that. They already have almost 8,800 people. So guys, check this out. I wonder what this could be. Look at this, guys. How sick is this? New design. Look at that thing. Whoa. That is sick. Look at that. So they have that partnership with Alpha Prime. Look at that. Lamborghini Miami, Clear Crypto's No Trust Act. And they're partnered with Maxim or Alpha Prime and Clear Crypto's. Maxim's on there too. Looks like they're part of it. Sweet. That thing looks sick, huh? Hacker stole 100 mil from Horizon of Crypto. I didn't see that, EMAC. That happened yesterday. Hello from Croatia. What's up, David? Zach, are you going to add subs on Twitch and eventually going to play games on Twitch like WagMe and Grit Gala games on the Epic Store? That would be sweet. I'm live streaming on Twitch right now. I've been doing that for a while. But there's just no traffic over there for crypto right now. But I'll keep it open. The reason why I opened it is just to have another platform. And who knows, maybe more people will watch on Twitch later down the line. But I'm dual streaming on both all the time. But all the comments and all the traffic comes in through YouTube. What's the word on Terareum getting on Binance US? I haven't heard that this summer's, not yet. But I wouldn't be surprised if we get rumblings of some larger exchanges, down the line a little bit. Unless, did I miss something? Again, I've been gone for like 12, 15 hours. I feel like I missed a ton. But, in terms of what Clear is building, we've talked about this before. But, they're building a sophisticated trading platform that really is aimed at, making us better investors. Because a lot of times in crypto right now, we're emotional, right? We chase green candlesticks, which isn't the right way to invest, right? So we need a better way to invest with a purpose, better trading strategies. And you're going to be able to adopt people's strategies that you like and utilize them, right? Set automatic buys and sells, similar to what you can do on Robinhood, right? In addition to that, there are going to be many more things that Clear is doing, like, mergers and acquisitions. That will be big, similar to what we see in the stock market, right? Similar to what we see in the stock market. That's pretty crazy, though. Ronaldo, pretty nuts. But let's take a look at their website real quick because there are some things listed here. Curated educational content too. So this is going to be interesting too. There's going to be a 24/7 news network. Curated educational content ranging from the basics of DeFi to long-term wealth generation is core to Clear Crypto's mission. Think about like, the ESPN of crypto, right? All the time. So that's that educational content. We've talked about that way back too. It's all in the data you can trust. This is, that verifiable information. Clear Cryptos present easy to read, vetted opportunities and historical performance in combination with state-of-the-art analytical tools to provide insight and clarity for better investing decisions. Act with confidence to ensure that you're investing in good quality projects, right? There will be an aspect of Clear Cryptos that does some KYC auditing, big time auditing, okay? As they're partnering up with some huge auditing firms. A lot of people look at the standard right now as CerTic, but I don't think CerTic will be the standard forever. And they talk about trading. We talked about that. There's a look at the platform in terms of what it could look like, what it will look like. Lightning fast, by the way, too. Crypto's, the educational component, safety. They'll utilize established companies in business, technology, and crypto markets to ensure the most in-depth vetting, auditing, and accountability, okay, is secured for all projects. So we're talking about unbelievable KYC measures to where if something is being discussed or talked about through Clear, you're going to know it's a safe project, right? Whereas like otherwise, what are people doing? They're just degenning into freaking whatever project and hoping the devs are good people, right? That's the scary thing in crypto. People just degen in, and you're like, well, hopefully they don't rug it. Let's see what happens. What if we canceled that out of there? What if we just said, hey, anything that comes through here, there's heavy KYC, there's heavy auditing. These projects are safe. They're safe to invest in. If you just cut out all of the BS and didn't invest in projects that rugged or pulled a fast one on you, how much better would that be? People would have a lot more money in their MetaMask wallet, right? So in terms of what they're doing, I think this is super important. And this is just the tip of the iceberg too. So people say like nobody knows what they're doing. Like it's right here. And again, I can only speak so much on it because for obvious reasons, you don't want to just explode and say everything about it, right? I mean, that's not how marketing works. You want to roll out things, and obviously they're doing it the right way. They're partnering with some big companies before their launch. They're getting their name out. They're getting their brand out. They're creating momentum. Clear Crypto stands for building positive relationships with companies and communities who have the same values, integrity, trust, reliance, resilience that our entire ecosystem embodies through partnerships, mergers, and acquisitions. Okay. People are like reading on the website, oh, there's nothing here in terms of what they're doing. It's right here. Clear Cryptos will further growth. Clear Cryptos will further growth for companies which aim to improve, expand the cryptocurrency space. Will further growth for companies which aim to improve, expanding the crypto space. These avenues of networking will most importantly provide growth for holders as well as resources for companies to flourish. And they are based out of Puerto Rico, right? So it's a local business supporting the local economy. And people like have been talking about this like it's a negative thing. Like, oh, they're based out of Puerto Rico. They just want to save on taxes. Why is that a bad thing? But in addition to that, yes, it is a territory of the United States. You do save on taxes, which is a good thing, not a bad thing. But in addition to that, they're going to be rising up the entire island. Puerto Rico is made of about 6 million people. With Clear Cryptos, crypto opportunities will now be in reach for the average local citizen and help to grow Puerto Rico into the crypto hub of the world. Some of the things they're doing there, I can't speak on it yet, but we will. I'll be creating videos on it in terms of the things they're doing, boots on the ground in Puerto Rico. It's going to blow your mind. I'm telling you straight up, it's going to blow your mind. I've been in 4 meetings now with the team at Clear Cryptos. It's unbelievable what they're building. All right. So I'll say that. And a lot more to come. So they're doing a lot of things. It's not just one thing. So how about Apollo? Oh my goodness. We are at the 5-4 level. Apollo is absolutely exploding. Steve, come on. The website doesn't say anything. Steve, listen, man. I know you come to this channel, but you watch other channels and you like drama. The website is clear. Okay. It's not as clear and crystallized yet. There will be a lot more coming. So I don't know if you're trying to just start stuff. Just don't invest in it then. Just don't invest. Hope that works out for you. Just don't invest. There's no reason to talk shit. You have no idea. And neither do the other people talking shit. They don't know. They don't know. There's a reason why they're doing what they're doing this way. Let's see what happens. We'll see. All right? We'll see. What's up, Muzz? Eddie T, what's up? How do I buy Clear Crypto? It's not out yet, Rodney. Good morning. How's Ada doing? Ada's doing solid here. I think it's up about 5%. Let's see. I love how people, it's up 6%. I love how people are experts on Clear Cryptos. They've never talked to people. They've never been in meetings. They have no idea what they're doing, but they can just say it's going to be garbage and trash. Okay. Based on what? You have no evidence. You have no information. You have nothing. You just like drama. Steve, okay, that's fine. But you say, I mean, what does this say? Zach, come on. The website doesn't say anything but buzzwords and phrases. I know who you heard that from. You can listen to whoever you want, okay? Listen to whoever you want. I don't want to see you get wrecked, but listen to whoever you want. Doesn't matter. There's a reason why they're not crystallizing everything, okay? That's all I can tell you. I mean, people just love to have like FUD right out of the gates. Like, why? Why? It hasn't even launched yet. People are like, it's terrible. It's terrible. Based on what? You have no idea. You'll see. I mean, that's all I could say. Just wait. Just wait. Don't get drawn into it. But yeah, Paul, I know. But so, it's just frustrating sometimes because this is what we need to stop in the crypto market. We need to stop. We got a lot of adults playing in a children's. What is that? What's that saying? Adults playing in a children's sandbox. We need to grow up. Crypto market needs to grow the hell up. Okay, grow up. We got adults playing in a children's sandbox right now, and the entire industry is going to grow up, whether we like it or not. Regulation's coming, and Clear Cryptos knows that. By the way, that's why they're building it the way they are in Puerto Rico with huge relationships. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm excited as hell. We'll see what happens. Sorry, didn't mean to start a whole thing on it. No, it's cool. Any updates on Celsius? Let's go. Lung Punch, what's up? Steve, that's fine, man. That's fine. That's fine. We'll see. How about let's let it launch first before you have opinions on it? We'll see. They've been fighting Clear Crypto for exactly. And you know what? It's actually good. It's free marketing. That's great. All press is good press. So free marketing. It's perfect. Thoughts on Seifu Ape? I'm still bullish. Reese, thank you so much for the donation. I like Seifu Ape. I really like their tech and their swap function. Definitely. And BSape. You're being rough on Steve. Okay, I'm sorry, Steve. I'm sorry. Am I being rough? I'm sorry. I'm not being rough. I'm just, I don't know what else to. We'll see. We'll see. But anyway, let's shift the focus. Apollo is absolutely storming ahead right now, up 554% in the week, $54 million market cap. This is insane. Some big news coming in terms of a partnership or sponsorship. At least that was said in the last previous AMA that we had a couple days ago. This thing is taking off over the past week or so. Here's the thing with Apollo. They just completely rebranded their Apollo crypto now. And I think it's starting to gain some major steam here. So keeping it real, hit the like button. Yeah, hit that like button definitely for us. If you're just checking in, just join. Why are we fighting? Henrock, we're not fighting. I'm just talking about, people who love to create FUD from nothing. Like, crypto is going to grow up with or without you. So, I mean, you got to grow up. People doing this got to just grow up. I mean, if you're here for drama, I'm here to help people win. I want to see people win and make money. That's why I'm here. I'm not here for a drama show. I can go watch MTV for that, right? Crypto market should not be MTV. I mean, come on. We got to grow up. But people love to pick sides. It's in human nature. We're all tribal. You got to be part of a team, whatever. I get it. But, we'll see what happens with Clear. We'll see what happens. But let's go talk about the top story here, Shib. So this is what we were talking about right out of the gates here. Shiba Inu Shibarium public testnet to release in Q3 announces unification. So this is big. So we're getting some clarity on terms of when Shibarium is coming from unification, which is the company working on this. The public beta testnet will allow parties to fully interact with the network, including the validation process. That'll be great because we'll be able to, check this out and actually have experience with the platform before it comes out. At least that's what it sounds like here. Now, the private testnet has been active and operational for several weeks. They mentioned developers are building many relevant tools on the network ahead of the public beta testnet release. So they have 3 different exchanges right now on Apollo. By the way, a big exchange could be coming, Jim. A big exchange could be coming. So they're talking about a tier 1 and some others that are in the works. I think Zach is saying don't FUD things he's invested in. No, that's not what I'm saying at all, Sniff. I don't care if, you know, whatever. It's not to do with that. It's just don't FUD anything you don't know about. Point blank, period. Why would you create fear, uncertainty, and doubt about something you don't know about? You know what smart people say when they don't know? They say they don't know. If you don't know, then you don't know. But don't create a story, don't create a narrative when you have no idea. That's FUD. That's actually the real definition of FUD. When you create a narrative that you have no basis, no information. You don't. I mean, you have nothing, but you're going to create fear, uncertainty, and doubt. That's what FUD really is. That word gets tossed around in crypto so much, right? Like if I created a video on a project and I had an opinion on it based on information, based on it being launched already, right? Or how they were handling something. But I mean, the project hasn't even launched. Like, there's nothing, you know, it is what it is. I mean, we'll sit back and we'll watch it play out and we'll see what happens, you know? Can you check out Mars 4? I heard this. Everybody was talking about this yesterday. Exactly. Those who speak don't know. Those who know don't speak. Exactly. 100%. 100%. Those who speak don't know. Those who know don't speak. 100%. Brandon, high horse today. I'm not on my high horse, dude. It's just I'm frustrated. So if that's what you think, then okay. I mean, so be it. I'm not on my high horse. It just frustrates me that people are so immature. People are so it's immature. It's just immature. That's the best way to put it. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I took it away. Okay, that's fine, Sniff. Okay. Maybe I took it the wrong way. I'm sorry. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. I mean, I think they're being purposely vague. I will say that. I think they're being purposely vague because that's how you market. You don't say everything you're going to do all in one swoop, right? That's not a good marketing strategy. You want to have things to talk about over time. But anyway, we're talking about Apollo because this thing is ripping. Let's see here. Let's go to the 1 day because this thing's been ripping for like 4 days here. 5 days, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. Boom. So we are back up here where we were in late April. On the way up, this is where we were in February too. A lot of big buys coming in. Look at this. Here's a 16 ETH buy, 7 ETH buy. There are some big investors coming in here as of late. Let me go total ETH. Oops, other way. There we go. Recently, look at this. 19 ETH buy, 25 ETH buy, 26 ETH buy, 36 ETH buy. Wow. And these are all, these are a little bit dated actually. Okay. Oh, these are the largest from, this is the 21st, 20th. Okay. Let's go date actually. There we go. So you can't go date and big ETH buys on that date, huh? Dang it. Okay. Shib's back up 10%. Cult Dow's up a little bit, 13%. Streamer Inu's up 28%, 29%, looks like. They've been bouncing back a little bit. There you go. Nice little bounce back there for Streamer. I love VeChain, man. Absolutely love VeChain. In VeChain, if it gets down to 1 cent, I'm going to load the boat there, man. In my personal opinion, I wouldn't buy until the next Fed meeting. I hear you. I hear you, Max B. Unless you're playing the long game, right? If you're playing the long game, then, you know, you could start. And personally, I think you could start accumulating. I mean, in my opinion, I mean, it just depends on how you want to play it. If you're trying to time the market perfectly, which it's hard to do, I tend to agree with you. You probably want to wait a little bit to see what they're going to do with the next Fed meeting. I agree with you there. But if you're playing the long game, like if you're playing this thing for 2025 to 2030, then you're okay. I mean, I'm buying Bitcoin and Ethereum every day. I started that April 1st. Okay. April, May, June. So I'm about almost 3 months in doing that because, I'm playing the long game there. Now, somebody asked, am I still buying Crow all the time? Am I still buying some of the other, alts like Cardano and things like that? I'm buying those pretty much like on a weekly or every 10-day basis, something like that. When we get a downturn in the market, right, I'll try to like add to the Cardano bag. So like in the last 7 days here, like, obviously this would have been a great time. I try to get, even if it's like, here's the low point, even if it's like somewhere in here or something, that's what all I'm doing. I'm just trying to like accumulate at decent times for the long term. So Cardano, Crow, and Gala have been the three that I've been most interested in outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum since we started experiencing the crash. It's been Cardano, Crow, and Gala for me. And obviously buying Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day. I don't see Clear as a community token. It's a technology token. Yeah, it's not a community token. And I know that's weird because, in our space, we cover a lot of community tokens, but it's not that. I mean, it'll launch with real world utility from day one. It's not going to be, hey, let's build something here in 6 months and let's launch before and see what we can do. They're not building it that way. They're building it like a real company, a real business. And that's where we need to get into in the crypto market, right? We need to have companies. Number one, we need to have companies behind the asset. We need to see a company actually launch with utility day one. I think we're past the days of promises. I think people are over that. And crypto, it is growing up slowly. We have a lot of work to do still, but crypto investors and the crypto market as a whole, it's still going through these growing pains and it's going to grow up. I mean, because right now you have, let's face it, you don't have a lot of seasoned investors in crypto. You have some, but you've got a lot of, people just, they don't have a lot of experience investing. All while it's more important to help those people have better educational tools and not be an emotional investor, not just rifle in money on a green candlestick and hope it works out. How many people got wrecked late 2021 for investing near the top of the market? A ton of people. And those people are retail investors, they're new investors, and now they have a bad taste in their mouth of crypto and they may not stay in the industry. But what if they had a platform like Clear telling them that, hey, from the technical perspective, this is not a good time to buy, or this one is and this one isn't, right? They probably get wrecked less, right? And myself included here, by the way, guys. I mean, I made some moves last year that have not worked out. Now, a lot of those were blue chips and I'm going to hold them, but I'm down in a lot of those, right? A lot of those trades. I wish I had those tools personally, right? So that's what it's all about. And I think, people will see that the value that it's going to be providing is going to be massive. Massive. I'm excited about it. Very excited. It's in my mind I'm more excited about that launch than anything else and just that crypto in general. So we shall see. We shall see. That car is pretty sick. Did they announce anything else? Oh, the Discord's open now. Let's go back here. What's Matic looking like? Still at 60 cents. I want to get some more Matic in here. I do want to get some more Matic. I've got it in like 3 different places. So yeah, I got like $750 of it in here just hanging out. Polygon's going to be a nice one, I think, over time. Let's go portfolio here. What's Apple looking like today? That's up a little bit. I've got 14 shares over here on Robinhood at 131. I'll take that. I think that's a good price for Apple. Right around 130. I mean, if you look at their 5-year, look at Apple's 5-year. Isn't that phenomenal? I mean, look at that. Look how strong this company is. It's the largest company in the stock market. Man, look at Apple on March 20th, right when the pandemic hit. 2020, $57 a share. It's already 3x'd, and it's down. It's already 3x'd from there. Even March 2022 was 174. So yeah, right here, June 17th, it got pretty low. Let's zoom in here 1 month. Yeah, it did break 130, but I almost caught the bottom. My average cost is 131.68 here. I almost caught the bottom here in the last month, at least so far. How low did it go? 130 there. Yeah. Basically, I kind of timed that up pretty nice. For a change. I'm usually not good at timing the market. I invest in red when I first started in mid-March, all blue chips, and still down half now, just holding. Yep, I think that's where a lot of people are. All the good coins on Flare Network going live on the 4th of July is to bring the value in. Nice. Show you. Okay, Steve, my bad, man. Hey, dude, no harm, no foul. Sorry, it got me frustrated. It wasn't aimed at you, man. It frustrates me to see people acting. I'm not saying you did, but it triggered me a little bit to act a little out of pocket there. I'm sorry, dude. If that came off as like attacking you, man, I didn't mean that, but I just I get a little fired up about that. Hobbs does a good job over at the crypto shop on TA and how to read the markets. He does, Paul. A little bit of Matic these days, but I decided I was going to go in more on Seller. I like Seller Network too, Tori. What's up, Tori? Good to see you, man. Andrew, oh man, Monkey. Monkey's everywhere. I'm not invested in Monkey, but I have no idea what's going on. Monkey pays you 3% to hold. Okay. I started with Apple years ago, always believed in them. What's up, Tracy? Even when they almost went under, iPhone helped them come back. Yeah. I've got mixed feelings about this pump. It's too high for my buy orders. Boo. I hear you. Let's see what's doing. Let's see what it's doing. It's going up a little bit. Bitcoin's back up over 21.2. Ethereum is heading back over to that 1200 mark. Again, 1260. We want to see it over 1260, and we want it to stay there. So it is yet to get to 1260. That's a very important level. 1260 and then consolidation. If we can get up there, there's your 7-day. I mean, ETH has come from way down here in the 800s. So we're slowly rising, but we'll see. We'll see. I mean, time will tell here, right? Emerson, what's up? I just want to hear you say my name. I know, Steve, and I know you know what, dude. I really appreciate you, man, because you were here day one, and dude, you watch everybody's channels. I know, and listen, I don't have any beef with anybody. I don't talk bad about anybody in our space. I just get frustrated when, people start drama for no reason. It's just like, why? Like, let's be grown-ups, let's just be adults. But I don't have a problem with anybody. It's fine. But people are going to do what they do. I mean, it is what it is. No, I don't think he was ROC. I started with XRP and I'm still with XRP. Yeah, Nut has he's accumulated a ton of XRP. What's your average cost on XRP again, Nut? Read Ricardo's post so he can stop posting it. Where's Ricardo? Zach, to be honest, there's no reason to be buying in now. S&P just entered the bear market, and Feds will only be raising rates. The rates are still way low, way too low for the amount of inflation we have. I totally agree. I totally agree. How's SHIB doing, Zach? Let's go take a look. Let's go take a look. Shiba. Looking solid, actually. We're getting back into the 11s here. Look at that. So we almost got into the 12s. That was our high point the other day. This is a 4-hour chart on SHIB. So, I mean, and if we zoom out a little bit, this was on the 18th where we saw the big run up. So we were all the way down here on this low point at the 718. So this is a really good swing trade for a lot of people. And again, a lot of people are parking their money in SHIB and using it as a stable coin right now, rather than an actual stable coin, which seemingly are becoming less stable. There's always something in the news now about another stable coin being depegged from the dollar, right? It's kind of crazy. But a lot of them have been algorithmic stable coins, which I think are going to go. I don't think algorithmic stable coins are going to stay or last, right? I can't see it. Asset-backed stable coins, yep, they'll be here, I think, in some form or fashion. Okay, so Nutsack's I love that name. Nutsack's average cost on XRP, that's ridiculous. 0.008. So what is it now? 37 cents. So look at that. That's crazy. Ooh, look at XRP, up about 14%. That's nuts. Average cost on XRP. Is it 3 zeros or 2? 3 zeros or 2? Gus Monkey, thank you so much for the $20 donation. I appreciate you, man. Do you think Saitama will ever give us our V2? I'm down 7K and I've not seen anything yet. Is there anything I can do to get them, or do I need to just wait? It's brutal, man. It's absolutely terrible with what they're doing. I think you just have to wait, Gus. I mean, it's a shame, and I feel your pain, man. I wish there was something I could tell you that that they're doing that's making it better. But it's just not. It's not a good thing going right now. A lot of people are in that similar situation. I feel for you, man. But remember, you're still early. There's time. Diversify your portfolio, right? Don't forget to diversify. Get into some blue chips. Get into some other alts, right? Get into some other assets. That would be my best advice. Also, let's take a look real quick. BTFA ran up hard yesterday. Where is it at today? Let's see. Okay, still hanging in there. Nice 2 green candlesticks here lately. There's the 1 hour. Boom. There we go. Terrarium. Let's see where they're at today. They're still up about 11%. Turn that brightness on a little bit. So Terrarium's been having a nice little build-up run here. They're up 54% on the week. Just gave away $100 in Terrarium. Shout out to the lucky winner there. But they are they're finishing up at the expo, right? It was yesterday and then the 22nd, so they should be heading back. And now the attention shifts to Terapool, or I'm sorry, Terapool will be their first catalyst. Great Medium article put out there by Dr. Praveen. He put his Medium article up. Where is it? Let's see. They burned 1 quadrillion tokens from their marketing wallet to the dead wallet. Look at that. Second burn will be tomorrow. So second burn coming today for Terareum. Here it is, new publication. This was a really good Medium article in terms of how they're rolling out all of their products. So 5 major utilities of Terareum technologies in order of release. Terapool Launchpad coming first. Seamlessly and affordably integrate businesses and cryptocurrency within our Web3 landscape. Then you've got the Terra Exchange, offering spot, futures, and leverage trading for cryptocurrency assets, super fast trade execution and settlement, fast transfers of assets to your personal bank, person-to-person customer service and support. Then you've got Pay and TerraCard. This is the digital global payment gateway utility for Terareum asset management. Man, I'm so happy to be working with this. This is a real company, guys. It's so refreshing. A point of service contactless payment utility is soon to be available in 3 currencies of US dollars, Indian rupees, and UAE dirhams. So they have a license in these 2 countries already, United States and India, and they are working on the one in UAE out of Dubai. And then they have plans to expand further from that too. I think I missed a few super chats. Okay, let me go back up here. Sorry, guys. Shib just tweeted about Shibarium coming in Q3. Ricky Ramirez, thank you, man. Appreciate your super chat. Let me bounce up here. Oh, and Nut says, I started with XRP and I'm still with XRP. I think I'm caught up now, right, Muzz? Appreciate you, man. Okay, so Shib actually put out something here. Nice. There it is, 21 minutes ago. Wolf, thank you, Unification UND, for the latest update in regards to Shibarium. So let's see here for more information. Okay, this was the medium that Unification put out, which we haven't looked at yet. So let's check this out. True says barely half of everyone here has hit the like button. Yeah, guys, it's totally free. Smash that like button for us. It really helps. Totally free way to give back to the channel. It's the best way too. So call warning as well. We'll delete your shilling. Uh-oh. Got you, Ricky. Appreciate you, man. Man, I posted a super chat message. Did you read it? Oh, Steve, sorry, man. Where is it? Sorry, dude. It must have been above Monkey. It must have been way up there. Sorry, dude. This chat sometimes is hard to keep up with. Jose Hernandez, thank you for the $2 donation. Will Clear Crypto be listed? Oh, Hemi, thank you. Will Clear Crypto be listed on crypto.com? Maybe down the line. But they're building their own decentralized exchange too. So let's see. Steve, where's yours? Where the heck? Steve Dawson, I don't know where your super chat is. Must have missed it way up here. Deadly Raver was the first one, I believe, right? Where the heck is it? Where the heck is it? Steve, I don't know where it is, man. Can you just like type it back in chat? You don't have to super chat it, and then I got it. What's up? What's up? Boom. Philip, what's up? What up, Luna? Subscribe, y'all. Thanks, John. Have you checked out the new Bazoge game? No. Clear Crypto will be bought by Ether. The plan is to be multi-chain. Ethereum and Smart Chain. I posted a $5 super chat about Solana. Dude, I did not see it. Can you just ask your question again and just in regular chat and I will get it? Thank you for the super chat. What's up, Cat? We'll work for Monkey. Why do you think everyone is trying to make a centralized exchange? Because they are robbing us, making a fortune. I don't know if everyone's trying to make a centralized exchange, but centralized exchanges do make a lot of money off fees and things like that, right? But they're also aiding in crypto adoption, and it is an easier process than DeFi and the decentralized side, right? So it's kind of like a double-edged sword. There's some good and bad, I think, to it. But Smooth Love Potion is the asset with Axie Infinity. SLP, I believe, is a token you actually receive, like that you're rewarded in the game. Is it true Sway for BTFA say he doesn't want to dox because he's black? LO. I have no idea, man. I mean, that's totally up to him and his choice. Do you think Welly's NFT gas were part of the alpha testing for Shibarium? I don't know. Loki, that's a good question. I don't know. I'm confused. Will my Shiba be limited because I don't have bone? Is it a catch? No, your SHIB will be whatever your SHIB is worth. But Bone is going to be the governance token in the ecosystem, and it'll be used for gas. So, personally, I own both, and I want to acquire more Bone before Shibarium comes out. So I think there's merit in owning all three, Shib, Bone, and Leash. But I don't have any Leash right now. I have Shib and Bone. But if you're if you have high conviction in Shib and you really believe in the ecosystem, I think it's good to have some Bone too. Shiba up 10% right now. Nice. Are we into the 11s yet? Almost. 10-9 right now. We crossed into the 11s, looks like. Yeah, briefly. Philip's been making a killing with Baby Doge. Are you just swing trading it? Quant. People were asking me about Quant yesterday, too. I've got to do my homework. I don't have much to say about Quant, but I know a lot of people want to hear about it. Michael, thank you so much for the donation. I appreciate that. Is LUNC actually burning tokens? They have a burn site showing they have burned 1 billion tokens, but the coin count is increasing on KuCoin. Honestly, Judo, I had heard that they were burning, but I've kind of been out of the mix and out of the fray a little bit with Luna Classic. I have been keeping close tabs on just like what they're talking about in terms of like Quan and things like that, but I've been out of the loop a little bit, man. Safe Moon, my dude. I've stayed away from Safe Moon. Not because it's like a terrible project, just because I was so focused on Shib. Let's see. Have you stopped doing Saitama videos? Keep up the good work. Pretty much, Luis. Yeah. I wish everybody the best that's invested in it. I want to see them, make their money for sure. But there's just a lot other projects to talk about now. And I mean, you have to evolve. And when you have new information, you have to adapt. You have to pivot. You have to change. So, Loki, love your content. Thank you. Appreciate it. Normally in the early hours or late at night if you want to avoid the high gas fees. Are you talking about Baby Doge? What's up, Caesar? How we doing, man? Just swing trading it, Philip. Philip says, nice. Been a Patreon member since last October. Appreciate your work, your upfront honesty, brother. Vito, thank you, man. I really appreciate that, Vito. Coffee cured bacon? No, I have not. I have not had that. That sounds amazing, though. I think Safe Moon is dead. It could be. It could be. Nice way of saying Saitama is trash. Yeah, I don't like to just, hate on people. That's not my style. I mean, but I've moved away. I moved away from it. Optimism is pumping. Heard of it? What's up, Sin? No, I have not. Terra USD up 90%. Joseph, I respect you, bro. Thank you. Hobbs works for BTFA and shows his face. Sounds fishy, man. I think they will be irrelevant in due time. I disagree, Jack, but you're entitled to your own opinion, bro. I've got 10 of their NFTs. I think it's going to be a huge growing ecosystem. They're getting a lot of exposure outside of our circles on YouTube, too, from people. So we'll see, man. Everybody is entitled to their opinion. So I disagree with that. And it's one of my favorite small caps right now. I would say my 3 favorite small caps right now are Apollo, Terra, and BTFA. Let's see where Apollo is. Apollo's at the 5.5. Guys are sleeping, man. A lot of people are sleeping on Apollo. I've been telling y'all. Look at this. Insane. These are my 3 favorite, personally, the small caps. I like, small caps are under 100 million for me. So Terrarium now is $88 million market cap. We're getting close to that 100 mil again. 88 million right now. Look at WAGMI's up 14%. That's good to see. It's bouncing a little bit. I do like WAGMI too. I still think it'll come back. BTFA is down a little bit, but still in the week, very green, up over 54% on the week. What's Volt looking like here? Okay, Volt's bouncing a little bit here. Been on a nice little run up 43% on the week. Yeah, I think Terra's really solid. I agree. Hey, Zach, I'm liking your new intro for your videos. Appreciate it, Jonathan. Thanks, man. I've actually had that done for a while. I just forget to play it. Dude, I posted the super chat message again. Okay, Steve, I'm sorry, man. I am guess I'm not great at this. Where the heck is, all right, I'm gonna find it, Steve. I'm going to find this. Where, I don't see it, dude. Your super chats aren't coming through. I do not have it, man. Like, I see this one. Gilbert, good morning. Thank you. Thank you, Gilbert. Appreciate you. Steve, I don't see your super chat. Well, one of the mods let me know. Like, I can't see it. I don't see that super chat at all. Let me look at it on my phone, maybe. It's not coming through. It's not coming through on StreamYard. That's weird. Steve, my thoughts on Dogecoin. I still have some. I'm down like, I think I put $1,000 into it. I think I'm down like, I don't know, maybe it's worth like 600 or something right now. But I'm gonna hold it. I mean, it's a lottery ticket for me. High risk, high reward. I never understood it because like you can't really, like, what are they doing? They're just gonna be the currency of Mars, and like it has Elon in the name. You know, in last year's market, that was enough to run, right? So I'll hold it. They have a big holder base. I think it was like 125,000 holders or something like that, maybe more. But I mean, I don't have like strong conviction in it or anything. I'm just having a little bit in case it goes like crazy and becomes like the next SHIB. I put $1,000 in there, kind of deal, right? That's kind of where I'm at with that. What's up, Glenn? Good morning. I'm older, still cannot buy NFTs. Luis, I'm with you, dude. I'm getting better at it. I only have 2 sets of NFTs. I have 9 WAGMI NFTs and I have 10 BTFA NFTs. LAG, I appreciate that, man. Shib and Crow to the moon. Been watching since summer 2021. Yeah, those were the dog days of summer last year, man. I appreciate you. Anyone having issues with Uniswap on Coinbase Wallet? Been seeing just a code for days instead of swap feature. I do not use Coinbase Wallet. I don't see the super chat from Steve either. Yeah. Okay. So, Steve, are you just like trolling us, dude? Because I've been looking for your super chat forever. John, are you giving me shit because I couldn't find the super chat? Infinite Money Coin, what's happening, man? Wish you all infinite success. Right back at you. 1K into a junk coin. Yeah, I mean, sure. Yeah. I don't think it's, I don't think it's built to last or anything like that. But I mean, I've already put it in my head. If it gets to like 4 or 5K, I'll take it out. If not, it's a lottery ticket, like, and I'm not, that's a very, very minute portion of the portfolio, right? Most of my money is in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, Shiba Inu, Gala, Crow. Those 6. So those are all, top 100 cryptos. I see no Steve either. Steve Super. Yeah, Steve. So I do not see your super chat, man. I'm sorry. Thoughts on Dogelon Mars? So we just talked about it. Is it like running today or something? A lot of people like Dogelon though. I mean, even when I create a video on it, like it gets a lot of traffic. So like that tells me there's interest there, and there's the holder base, 138,000. You know, I mean, it's just consolidating right now. Dogelon. If we look at the 1 day, here's the 1 day. It's funny though. I mean, it gets a lot of traffic, and there's a lot of trading too. So I mean, kind of like SHIB a little bit. It came out in April last year, exploded, came down to nothing, then exploded again. So here's the thing. There's no merit to, like, why I got in or anything. I mean, I bought in, like, I think down in here. I think it was like, yeah, it was late last year. I think I bought like right in here in December on the dip. Obviously it's dipped further, but I mean, I'll hold it because if it does this again, then I'm out, right? And if it doesn't, then so be it. Muzz, Muzz can't believe we're still talking about Dogelon. A lot of people are asking it, man. Gilbert, we just talked about it, but hey, we'll talk about it. Henrock, Kronos, yeah, one of my favorites, man. Elon is the SHIB replacer. I don't think it's going to replace SHIB. It's not even close to its market cap. It's not even close to its holder base. Could it be an interesting meme coin again when the market comes back? Could it be one of the few that do well? Sure. That's why I just threw a little money on it and just let it sit there and see what happens. Like, mind you guys, like, in my head, that $1,000 is gone out the window. Like, I look at that money as just completely gone. I like buried it in the backyard, and maybe I'll find it, maybe I won't, kind of thing, right? If I open the wallet up one day and it's worth like 4K, I'm like, hey, I just found 4K, and then I'll cash it out. You know what I mean? Let's see. Yeah. Paulo's still climbing at a $55 million market cap now. What other top stories here were there? Let's see. Top news. That. So we're getting some big news on Shibarium, guys, this morning. If you guys didn't see this, unification, a new chain born. So actually, we didn't read this Medium article. Let's read this, and then we'll go back into some top news. Guys, hit that like button too if you haven't already. That definitely helps us out. Also, subscribe. Want more content like this? Let's see. Does this talk about SHIB or... It's a long medium. Oh, here we go. The coming months for unification. So it's continued innovative development since its inception in 2017 through many phases of the blockchain market, and will continue to innovate with and serve the market. We look forward to what's planned for the next few months with Shibarium, the last X fund, the next update on the mainnet, and the birth of W Fund. Let's see here. Jamie, as much as you can afford to lose, man, in terms of how much, that's how I always answer that. Everybody's in a different situation, right? So you have to, and also, I would advise, I would say that diversify your portfolio. I almost said advise. I'm not a financial advisor. Diversify your portfolio. Don't go all in on one. The anticipated time for the following updates will be in Q3, and the team will start to work with the validator community on elements of the launch and upgrade already. Shibarium is being built on and improving well-established, battle-tested, and robust technology with XFund, particularly Oracle of Oracles, which will play a key role in the network. So a lot of technical terminology here, huh? But the big story, I mean, this was the big story in terms of, the headline. Shibarium public testnet to release in Q3. That's pretty cool, too, that we'll be able to kind of play around with it and get experience with it before it fully launches. Everrise changed up a little bit, but I believe they're still on track. I like Everrise and what they're building for sure. Security and DeFi. Who can argue that, right? $1,400 stimulus checks coming, putting it all on Gala. Is that true? Is there another stimulus check coming? Really? I hope not. I mean, I know a lot of people may maybe disagreeing with me there, but I just it's one of the reasons we're in this mess. I think if they did it properly and they actually like vetted the people who actually need it, right? That would be better. Digital Orgy. This guy is going to get you all broke. Thanks, Digital Orgy. Appreciate the kind words. Thanks for stopping in. We should all know by now that markets are going to continue to go down, and they go up a little bit, but they're going to be going down overall. So if you're going to get in, get out quick or play the long game. Or play the long game. I did. Yeah, we did. We talked about that. Cristiano and Binance. That was pretty sweet. Stimulus check will add to national debt and inflation. Yeah. I wish they wouldn't even have given me the first 1,400. I still have the dumbass shit in case they want it back. What's up, Zay? B-Wood, whatever happened to Rich Rabbit Club? We've put it on hold, man. It's not like, done with or anything. We've just put it on hold because number one, we got really busy. Austin and I got super busy. Everybody's busy, right? That's a terrible excuse, but it's true. I mean, it just kind of took a back seat to all of the other things we had going on. Number two, the downturn in the market. And number three, we're still kind of figuring out how exactly we want to best utilize Rich Rabbit Club. So it was built for the idea behind it, and this is still the idea we're going to use in some capacity, is that we want to like help entrepreneurs. We want to help people become their own boss. And, that kind of aids in financial freedom. It aids in, it kind of goes hand in hand with cryptocurrency, right? So that is still going to be a thing, but, how we're going to launch it, who we're going to launch it with, how many NFTs there are. We do have artwork done and things like that. So we have, a skeletal website done as well. But yeah, we'll see. I'll provide updates when we have them. But yeah, Rich Rabbit Club's an NFT project that myself and Austin Hilton developed the idea for. So we have a Twitter account. There it is. It has a decent following. We have kind of, with the market the way it's been, we've kind of let things just sit for a minute, and we'll come back and revisit it. We've been working with Yasha DAO on it. We have a Discord up and running. The Discord's still up and running. Here was some of the artwork. There you go. Sparked Events, I appreciate that, man. Thanks so much. Very grateful that you come back to the channel. I know there's a lot of content out there, so I appreciate you. I'd launch at the bottom of the market, Zach. Better upside. I hear you, Zay. I mean, the number one thing is it's got so busy, man. And it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. I don't use Discord, but thanks anyways. Yeah, no problem, Jack. I don't trust Discord or Telegraph. You mean Telegram? Discord's a much better platform than Telegram. Any clue what the buy-in would be for RRC? To hold one, it would be a small amount of ETH, probably like a 0.1, something like that, 0.2 ETH, something like that. few $100 to get one. And we want to have like live meetups and things like that. We got to work out all the details. I definitely want to surface back to it because I think it's a really cool idea to have like, a room full of entrepreneurs and just sharing ideas and things like that. That's what it's all about, right? If you're somebody who wants that in life, like that financial freedom, and you want to start a business, or you always had an idea, now you come together with thousands of other people, and then you meet somebody, and now you're starting a business with them, right? And you made it happen through the Rich Rabbit Club. That's kind of our vision for it. That'd be cool. Telegram, you got to watch a lot of scams. I agree 100%. Discord, not as much, Luis, but it's still there. But Telegram is littered with scams and people trying to message you and say join this trading group. So you got to be very, very careful. SHIB was ranked 12, no longer a meme coin. It's a smart chain now. Yeah, I mean, it is being taken a lot seriously than it once was, right? A year ago. Let's see this market's still climbing, guys. So we're almost at 21.3 here for Bitcoin. ETH is now up almost 10% on the day. XRP is up 13.5%. Cardano's up over 50 cents. Liking it. Solana. Steve, thank you so much for the super chat. Oh, not trolling you, man. Patreon member since October. I appreciate you, dude. I just didn't see your super chat there. Now I see it. Zach, talk about Solana. Some big news today. A catalyst. Their project was crypto of the year at 400x. They launched a similar project 2 days ago. Let's find that. Let's find that story on Solana. Didn't see that. Come on, Solana. I don't see that story. Is it on Twitter? Let me see. So we can find it here. Oh, wow. Just in, Solana has announced the launch of its own smartphone, Solana Mobile. What? That's insane. Solana Labs unveils Web3 focused smartphone. That's crazy. Hopefully the boss doesn't catch me watching. What's up, Paul? Thanks so much for tuning in, man. I need to get into the NFT game. People charging 25 ETH for animal pictures. I know, Leo, right? That's wild, dude. So Solana with their smartphone. This is interesting. I'm going to write this down so I can maybe do a video on that. Solana smartphone. Steve, I have some Solana, by the way, to answer your question. I like it. A lot of people hate on it because it's a little bit more centralized. It has a lot of VC backing, and they've had some issues with their security too on their chain, right? They've had some security issues, but overall, I think there are, the positives outweigh the negatives, in my opinion. I think it'll be a good long-term project. Doge needs to reach $1. I think eventually it will. Bro, I can hack a smartphone. That's not safe, in my opinion. I hear you. I hear you, Zay. Do we know when ETH2 is merging? It was supposed to be August. Did they back it up again? But it's been delayed how many times, right? A lot. Too many. Any new projects to look at? There's not a lot of new things launching right now, but I mean, I'm looking at the blue chips that I've been mentioning quite a bit. I'm buying Bitcoin, Ethereum every single day. Fawaz. Cardano, I think, has a great long-term future. Charles Hoskinson spoke yesterday at the government meeting there around crypto. That was interesting. I caught a little bit of that. Solana, Shiba Inu, I'm accumulating there as well. Been doing that. Polygon's had a nice little run here. I think that's a good long-term Project Kronos, Algorand, Gala, VeChain, Decentraland, HBAR, ApeCoin, just to name a few. In terms of new projects coming out, I've only really got my eyes on Clear Cryptos right now in terms of new launches. But we don't have a launch date yet. But in terms of new tokens, Fawaz, Clear Cryptos. In terms of small caps that I really like right now, Terareum, BTFA, Apollo. Still like WAGME. Volt. I do think Volt has some room to run still. They have a strong community. Colt is interesting to me. I think Colt can still run too. I do. Pretty much anything up here on this sidewall, I'm watching because I own it and I think it's fascinating. I think it can run. WAGME, Terareum, BTFA, Streamer, Volt, Cult, Ape, Shib, Apollo. That's my top 10 right now. Obviously, most of these are small caps. You know, I don't really track the big caps here. I just track the small caps mostly. I've got Shib up there because I always want to know what's going on with Shib, right? And ApeCoin, I guess, isn't really a small cap either. It's not. Shib and Ape are, both top 100s. And then the rest are smaller caps. Morning, Brian. How we doing, man? No Cadena. I've looked into it. It's interesting. I don't have any though. Didn't I hear something about a major announcement for Apollo? So what happened was that they were talking about something. It's supposed to be today on Friday that we would hear something about a partnership or sponsorship. Matt did say that during the Your Pop AMA. Creator contest number 7 AMA roundtable they had yesterday. That's pretty cool. Here's your contest members. So, guys, you have to have a little bit over 1 million Apollo to vote in this. I haven't voted yet, but will be voting. Voting ends on the 27th for this round. ApolloCrypto.org/vote. I heard Bitcoin will crash to 3,000 to 7,000 in 2 years, and then the market back up to 500,000 to 1 million. Any words on that? Gilbert, it's tough to tell, man. You always hear something different depending on who you talk to, right? I think it's best to just have that long-term outlook on your investments, right? Because then you don't freak out in the short term when things ebb and flow. Appreciate the $10 donation, man. Thank you. Have you seen CoinView Cap CVC? Yeah. Yeah, and I like the idea a lot that CVC came up with. Let's see their website. Have they revamped it a little bit? I haven't looked at it in a while. Still looks the same, but they've been up a little bit here over the last couple of days. That's good to see. I really like Keith, the guy running the project over there. He's a good dude. Late, but I'm here. What's up, Faye? What's up? What's up? Late, but I'm here. Thanks. Trying to figure out the catalyst for the movement and plan accordingly. Yeah, on Apollo. So, in addition to that, the news we're supposed to hear today, Muzz, there has been a lot of discussion about a tier 1 exchange. We don't know exactly when that process will play out, but Matt did say in the AMA that things are moving a little bit slower given market conditions, but that they are still in heavy talks with a tier 1 and a couple other exchanges too. That's all right on their Trello board too, right on their website. Matt says, I want Ethereum to drop lower. I hear you, man. Mana looking real good. Where's Mana? Let's see. Decentralized. 92 cents. Yep. Yeah, if you go metaverse here, they're back in the top spot for the metaverse. Interestingly enough, Sandbox and ApeCoin have come way down. They've gotten passed up here recently. Axie Infinity is crushing it a little bit. But how about Theta? They've even Theta Network. This is the decentralized streaming platform. They're in the top 40. They're an interesting project, Theta. You got Axie, Sandbox. I still like Sandbox. I mean, you still have, what do you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, basically in the top 40. They're calling Stacks and Engine both metaverse plays too. What are some down here? WaxP might be one that people are overlooking a little bit. I've heard of Chromia. I've heard of Alluvium. Alluvium, weren't you talking about that nut way back? Where was Alluvium at one point? Alluvium, wow. Alluvium was $1,800. Now it's down to $177. Wow. It's almost back down to kind of where it was last September. Look at that. Still got a little ways to go. Trading at 177 right now. Open world fantasy battle game built on the Ethereum blockchain. Often touted as the first AAA game on Ethereum, Alluvium looks to provide a source of entertainment to both casual gamers and hardcore DeFi fans through a range of collecting and trading features. But here's the thing. So this is why I always say with gaming, like you're betting on one game here with Alluvium. And I'm not saying it's going to be bad. I'm not saying it's a bad investment. I mean, it's a top 200 here, and a lot of people are bullish on it. But the way I look at it, instead of investing in one game, look no further than Gala. Right? I mean, you're a top 100 crypto. They've got a ton of games coming out. Recently, Gala, they were talking about their it's kind of like their Farmville version for the blockchain. What is it? Town what the heck is it called? Hold on one sec. I'll find it here. They just had an AMA kind of thing about it. It's right. Where the heck did it go? I think it was right in here. Here it is. Time for a dev. It's called Town Crush. Time for a dev update on Town Crush. This game's gaining a lot of steam. A lot of steam for Gala right now. Zay says Mana, Gala, Qubit. I like that list too. Do I ever plan on getting an NFT in the Shiba Inu ecosystem? Hitoshi, I probably should. I should probably get a Wellies NFT. Chad Reddings has always been pretty big on ILV. Yeah, he has. I've watched some of his videos on that as well. Chad's a good dude. I haven't talked to Chad in a long time. I should reach out to him. Townstar. Yeah, this is Town Crush.
And welcome to the second developer log
for
Town Crush. So I know it's been a little while since the last devlog, but the reason for that is actually pretty good. We're going to look at some tools today.
Oops.
Tools are a huge part of game development for me. Having good tools leads to great content is generally the philosophy I try to live by. And great, this might sound like palettes, so each color related to a certain kind of tool. How to demonstrate this.
So this is one of the games.
Yeah, we'll just kind of walk through the user interface. Before I even click the button, I want to make it clear this is very early stuff. It's just barely functional, but you will get a very good sense of the fun possibilities here. So let's dig in. If I click this editor button, we end up on the paint screen. These are different modes the editor can be in, and we'll go through them. But the paint mode is the basic, obviously, painting mode. So you got your world origin here, the X and Y axis. And if I click and drag, I'm laying down these boxes. These boxes represent spots where icons can spawn. So I'm defining the shape of my level. I can make a whole section up here, maybe over there. If I don't want these, if I want to connect these, I just draw a few in the center there. And
I don't think this is the head dev.
Drag. You click on one that's already there.
I don't think this is Schiermeyer, Eric Schiermeyer. What is he? Actually, we'll come back to this in one sec. But one of the reasons why I really like Gala is this guy's experience. So actually, I want to see this guy. Hold on one sec. Google. Eric Schiermeyer Gala Games. Here he is. He doesn't have his picture up there. Zynga co-founder. Here we go. Builds Gala network for decentralized gaming. So yeah, he was the founder of Zynga Games, which was huge, right? Created Farmville, poker, Mafia Wars. That's another thing when I'm looking at investments. I want to bet on people. I mean, obviously the product is important, right? But who's running it and what is their background? What's their experience? So that's why one of the reasons why I'm so bullish on Gala. Where's that? Shoot. Oh, it's in a tweet, isn't it? Yeah, here we go. So I want to see this gameplay actually.
Here you erase it, you click on a blank spot, you're adding. And one of the neat things about this is you can see this border around the outside. That's being automatically generated whenever you change the level. So if you've noticed that in Town Crush before, all the levels have a border around them. And that's not me placing things. That's the game is automatically filling that in for me, which is, you know, the kind of thing I really love as a nerd, basically. As a code nerd, that makes me happy.
Everto would love this.
Tools tab is simply
you get to see the actual gameplay.
Functionality goes that I don't know where it should go, long term. But it's just a quick little utility thing. You can clear the level. You can shift it around by entire cells. You can recenter it on the world origin. That kind of thing. The camera tab. And this brings up some scroll bars and things because I want you to be able to make levels. Either small levels that are up close and back. You can get levels about that small. If you small little section. That's the zoom level that I want to have. Fun thing is that we can now hit. I can just go ahead and play the level.
Oh.
Feels. See if I like it.
Town Crush.
Fun. Is it too hard? That kind of thing.
So imagine playing this and earning crypto.
So anyway, when you're done with here, there's an editor button inside of here where you can click and get back to the editor.
NYC, I hear you, dude. This is only one of their games, and they have a wide variety.
It's just kind of that's the creation tab is where you define how the level plays. You can ratchet like that. Check marks appear.
Here, actually, let's do this. Gala Games gameplay. So here we go. Walking Dead Empires gameplay live.
My clients like.
Let's let this ad roll through here. Let's check this out.
YouTube family, welcome back to On-Chain Gaming. Today is a world's first live stream of some Walking Dead Empires gameplay, but I am not alone. Today I am joined by the lead
guy needs a better mic, right?
developer of the Walking Dead Empires. How about you introduce yourself?
I can. Hey, everybody. My name is Zach Humphries. I'm the development director on Empires. Here to show off the demo.
I got you, NYC. They're doing a lot of stuff.
Can we?
Let's do it. So absolutely. We got 6 machines of Galvers here. So click that start game button and let's hop in. So this is a live server. We have actually 4 other people playing.
I'm so cheap, Matt. I have not yet got YouTube Premium, and I'll never get it. I'm sticking to my roots. I said I would never pay for that. I'll watch the ad.
With us right now.
Okay.
So we might run into them. Yeah. So we're gonna do a quick little load, and then we'll hop into the game. This is a small slice of what you can expect in the final game. I think it's really nice and representative of being able to show off where we're headed. So it gives you that really good core loop build and battle. And let's get in here. There's some pros, I think, playing.
Okay,
There's like
I almost blew myself up.
There's people who have there's people who have bases already built. So these are pros. I'm gonna try to find you. So what my best recommendation I can give is follow the missions on the left.
Okay.
I think you would
Never.
figure that out. Yeah, definitely follow the missions. First things you got
Really, Cat? I didn't know that.
some wood and some stone to craft some tools to help you build stuff. So find some sticks, find some stones, and let's get going here.
Sticks and stones can break
once
my
you
bones.
find those, oh, you.
All right, let's see. Pulling this up. An axe here. Got one wood, one rock. Let's craft it. Hell yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna just wander around the world aimlessly. And I'm gonna
Luke,
see
we'll
if I
take a
find
look at
you.
grit here in a minute.
But I'll keep giving you advice until you put down your base. I'll try to avoid walkers. Those things are everywhere. So you got yeah, I see you chopping down a tree. That's good. Yeah, you got it all figured out.
All right, this is pretty cool so far. It's like
You need a pick still as well. When you have the playing
Let's
as
see.
shown running around here.
yeah. You're the
so-
thumbnail for this live stream.
Yeah, you may have noticed she's kind of a thing in the world of The Walking Dead. One of my favorite characters outside of YouTube.
So on-chain gaming, this guy does gameplay
Oh,
videos.
there we
Looks
go.
like
Okay, sweet.
That's pretty
So
cool.
then, it's probably good to have 2 exits, no? Just in case.
Not a bad idea, yeah.
okay. Here, let's find Grit. That's another one of their games. And again, guys, this is the reason why I'm so bullish on Gala. They have so many different games. It's an entire ecosystem. Alluvium might be phenomenal, right? Project Quantum might be phenomenal, but it's only one game, right? New Gala games, Grit live. So check this out. Oh, we got to watch an ad real quick. On-chain gaming again. My man's everywhere.
So yeah, let's just drop.
New
I
battle
don't know.
royale. Look at this.
I'm guessing F. Yes. All right, we're gonna follow somebody. I wanna try and get a kill here before the announcements start. So I'm sorry, whoever this is, but you're going to die. And if you guys are watching on here, remember I have 2 streams running right now. So there is a stream that is the gameplay. If you want to see the gameplay, this guy is gonna hit first though. So I don't want to land right on him because I want to make sure I get a gun.
Looks like
Okay,
Fortnite, yeah.
that building.
Fork
We're gonna
knife.
Go to this building right here. Oh no, I can't. Oh, ah! Oh my gosh, that was so bad. I completely lost control. Okay, run. I can't move. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, you have to hold the shift key to sprint. This guy is definitely gonna have a gun before me, but I'm not sure if that he saw that I was dropping right on top of him. So, yeah, this is exciting. I better have 0 deaths at the end of this. I need to become the battle royale champion here. Yeah.
Sharps here.
All right, equipped. I got a sniper. That's probably good for picking somebody off from far away, but come on, tell me there's something for close range. The second story, maybe? All right, let's see here. Okay, we got a pistol as well now. Okay, let me load this.
Yeah, this is one of their games.
Yeah,
They have a
Grit
ton of
is gonna
games.
be an NFT game, guys.
NFT game.
I'm really excited for it. And it's going to release in partnership with Epic Games, so you're going to be able to play it from the Epic Games launcher.
There you go.
All right. There was a guy over in this direction. It's probably not smart to be walking through the middle of the field, but I'm just trying to find some action here. There's only 10 people playtesting this game right now, so the map is pretty empty compared to what it will be when obviously it's online and everyone has access to it. Let us see here. I know that somebody else landed here. I think he went to this building or maybe the other building to my right.
I want to see him get in some action
Definitely
here.
can find a horse. Can I don't think pistol shooter, my duster. Yeah, if it's a game that was released the moment. Oh, we hit him. Okay, let's switch to our sniper. I stuck in the corner. Oh my gosh, the recoil on that is terrible. Just absolutely impossible to aim this gun.
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
there we go. You double click. Okay. This guy's mine. Let's go. Load up our pistol here. I know I have more health than him because I just shot him. Although I'm sure there's like armor and stuff that you can put on that I don't have equipped right now. Oh. He doesn't know I'm behind him. He doesn't know. You're mine, buddy. You're mine. Oh my gosh, my aim is bad. Oh, come on. Switch to the sniper. This is loaded. My pistol, it's real big range of like where I don't actually know how to get the full zoom in here.
So there's a little bit of the Grit gameplay. If we go to their website, they talk about a lot of the games here. Let's see here. Maybe we could find one more. Here's a free game. Right, here we go. Games. Fortitude, Tower Defense, in development. Grit, which is what we just watched. So here you go. Fortitude, Grit, Battlestar Galactica, in development. These are all in development status, in development. Eternal Paradox, in development. Town Crush, which is that one we just watched. Match 3. Spider Tanks, PvP Brawler. Superior, third-person shooter. I like third-person shooters better than first-person myself. I always liked Uncharted. The Walking Dead Empires, we saw that a little bit. Legends Reborn, in development. Town Star. Yeah, that's the big one. Town Star, not Town Crush. Town Star. I believe that's their biggest right now. I just covered it actually in the video. It's so funny. I make a video, then I forget what I talked about. What I think I covered it in this video, though. Hold on, let me see. I'll just zoom to it.
Are you ready to?
Look at that. They put a Is that a Gala ad on there? Hold on one sec. I just want to zoom into this real quick. Oh, here it is. Yeah, the Townstar game is among Gala Games' biggest growth contributors. The farming simulator has attracted over 500 million users. Yeah, Townstar is their biggest game right now. So that's it right there. I think this is their aim at Farmville. Create your account. I can create an account and play it right now. Hold on, let me create an account real quick, guys, and then we'll check it out. See here. I'm going to use my old gamer tag. Used to be Z-Hump. That was my gamer tag on Uncharted back in the day. I do not have a referral code. Is it free? Create an account. Let's see. I'm creating it over here, and I'll bring it over here. Please verify email. Hold on one second. Let me verify this. Gala support. Confirm account. The email address tied to your Gala Games account has not been verified. Okay. Send. Email sent. All right. Gala support. Confirm account. Okay, good. We're in. Okay, here we go. I'm logged in. Z-Hump. All right, let's see. Oh, we're looking at Gala. The big stuff was SHIB earlier on in the stream. We got some news on Shibarium, public testnet coming out in Q3. Townstar coin I've been loading up is only 0.01. All-time high was over $2. Really, Edgar? Nice. Townstar. Let me see. There it is. At 1 cent right now. It's ranked in the top 900. Interesting. Thanks for the tip on this, dude. Yeah, look at that. All-time high was well over $2. It's been just flatlining since. Interesting. That could be Wow, that's a 200x. That's a 200x back to all-time highs on Townstar. Interesting. I've followed Gala and played Townstar for a year. Townstar is only their most active to play because it's the only thing playable. Their biggest project is Mirandus. Okay, appreciate that, dude. You know what? I'm going to do a Townstar, just a Townstar video. I'll do some homework and do a deep dive into it and do a video on that. That's cool. So bullish on Gala overall, though. All right, let's go. Oh, that's Zynga. Here it is. Okay. Oh, games. Yeah, that's only playable game. So Mirandus is supposed to be their biggest game. Fantasy RPG in development. That looks sweet. Echoes of Empire looks cool too. Strategy 4X. Survival FPS, Lax Expedition. Oops, where's that game you can play? There it is. Let's see. I do too. It's taking a minute to load. Play to earn now with Town Coin. Early access. Season 1 is free. It's taking a while to load up. Good wake up time. What's up, Daniel? Luna 1 is looking great. I got to look more into Luna 1. I was interested in it for a while. Then I lost interest because I got sidetracked with some other stuff. But Luffy just got a 50 million VC deal. Really? Are y'all listening? Really? I didn't know that. Good for Luffy. That's cool. It's slowly loading up here. I've been telling you in Austin, my friend is part of Gala. I'll hook you up with him. He's a big whale. He helped in the release of Gala. Dude, that'd be awesome, Edgar. How do I get a hold of you, man? Edgar, what's your Twitter? I'll follow you on Twitter and then DM me, man. That'd be awesome. I'd love to have him on the channel. Edgar, do you have Twitter? I'll follow you right now. That'd be really cool. Man, this is taking forever to load up. Well, we're at 41% still and loading. Should I refresh it? It's probably not a good idea. Oh, back to 34%. Shoot. Edgar, drop your Twitter for sure, man, and I'll follow you. Nice, Justin. I'm a Gala Gold member. There are some good perks. Nice, Mark. Well, this isn't loading for me. What the heck? I might have too much stuff going on. Streaming and then trying to stream this. Okay. Finish your wallet setup. I should set up my wallet on here. Edgar, definitely drop your Twitter, man. I want to follow you and try to hook up a interview. That'd be really cool. Big Whale and Gala helped in the release of Gala. That'd be awesome. Bring him on. Let's bring him on the channel. Let's see here. We're going to keep that up, actually. What was that one game you said? What was the one game we saw? Supposed to be their best game. Mirandus. Let's see if there's any gameplay. On-chain gaming again. My man's got the access to the Gala ecosystem. Best set for Chrome browsers. That's what I'm using. Get out of there. I can't press. There we go.
What is up, YouTube family? What is up, Metaverse family? What is up, everyone who watches On-Chain Gaming?
Appreciate that, Steve.
Today I am doing a live stream back home from Vegas. It is very dark outside now, so I'm just gonna keep myself really big here. Wait, let me see. I think I can even bring myself. Gotta mute it. Gotta mute it. Okay, there we go. All right. Oh no, why are we getting this flickering here? Not sure what's. So that right here, this floating orb is Materium. And because I have not gathered Materium with this exemplar that I'm logged in with right now yet, I can literally walk over there and be one of the first players ever to have Materium, which is like the magic. It's an ERC20 token in the world of Mirandus. Hello, everyone who's saying hi. Hey, Aeon Crypto, how you doing? I absolutely love it when it's fully lit by the sun. Yeah, the game looks very, very pretty during the daytime and very scary during the nighttime. This game looks way too early, but looks gorgeous. Bro, you need to like look at this game. Like, wait, let me see. The saturation looks a little bit lower actually in the stream. Let me see if I can make this look even better for you guys here. But you should have seen the last test. Like, go search Mirandus gameplay. Look at my last.
When was this video posted?
Be amazed.
Oh, this is December 15th, 2021. All right, so wait here. They've had a lot of updates here. 6 months ago. Here, wait, let's filter this week. New Mirandus gameplay. Here's 1 day ago.
Check it out, guys. We got new Mirandus playtest. Let's go. Oh, shit. All right. You must kill 1 goblin in order to be eligible for Materium. Lays it out plain and simple. That's our mission. We're going to go slay this goblin. And it gives us a big context of what they've been doing over the past 5 months. They've been really working really hard on this. It looks like they're going to note some movement, speed, and context. Whether this far and
I want to see the gameplay.
Goblins. Let's fucking go, guys. What the fuck? What is this guy doing? What the fuck? Sitting on, what is he sitting on? This game's beautiful. I love the effects, man. The shadows.
This guy's hilarious.
Everything. Look at the shadows come. Oh, we got the sunrise coming. Let's go. Let's go. Beauty of this graph. Who about this? Oh, man, that was close, dude. Let's go, dude.
This looks sweet.
Oh, there's a cave over there. So it looks like they just put us in this little area right now. Because last time we had the castle and all that stuff we could go and look at, but looks like we're just doing a little play test. Just needed to secure 1 kill in order to get that Materium. Already got the first Materium drop. It was right in the center of town. Last video I had, it was game was coming a long way, and they're still coming a long way. Got that one too. I'm gonna let some of these guys get some kills. I mean, look at the graphics on this guy. This guy looks creepy. This dude look creepy.
This looks awesome.
Try to explore a little bit, see what we can break. Last time I fell under the map, I fell all the way under the map. It was
Crypto
nuts.
King, you will be.
All right, guys. I think we're gonna end it here.
I think we're gonna end it here too. All right, so that's it. New Moranis gameplay. Checked out some Gala games here. That was pretty cool. Big news here. Before we get out of here, though, this is the big one. SHIB announces, Unification announces Shibarium public testnet to release in Q3. So that's what we've got here. Daniel says, Zach, if you're in the mood and want a speculative giggle, peek at Metarix in pre-sale. Might be right place, right time. Looks decent. Interesting. Let me write that down, Daniel. Appreciate it. Metarix in pre-sale. Is that a that's not a Gala game, right? Okay. Yeah, website's having some issues right now. I mean, they're very early, and a lot of these games still in development. The game we were trying to play, not Town Crush. What was the game? I already lost it now. Here it is. Not Town Crush, Town Star. That's the only game you could play right now. But this is why I like Gala, though. They're not just building one. They're building an ecosystem, and this is just the beginning for them. So, all right, guys. I want to hear about Shiba Inu games. Yeah, me too. We don't have any info yet, but we need Shibarium to drop first. Then it'll be discussed, I think, So, all right, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. Have a great day, everybody. Hang in there. The markets are looking a little bit better today, but we don't know where they're going here in the short term. But I'll be back with another live stream on Monday, and a bunch of videos will come out today and over the weekend. So appreciate you guys. Thanks so much. Hit the like button on your way out. Consider subscribing to the channel. Take care, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care.